Vostochnik Plus, closed joint stock company, has designed and developed the serial production on base of defense industry achievements of reasonably priced, efficient, fast-acting powder fire extinguishing modules TUNGUS, which provide fire extinguishing of the seeds of fire rising in automatical, autonomous or self-triggering mode in early stage of fire origin. Such solution makes it possible to avoid large fire damage at minimal costs for modules installation. The modules are general purpose, extinguish solid, liquid, gaseous substances and electrical equipment under tension, without taking into account the value of firefighting powder discharge voltage in the room and into the open area. As to efficiency, the modules exceed several times other types of fire extinguishing means. TUNGUS 5 module provides firefighting powder emission through annular slot in radial in plane direction. Such solution allows to avoid forming of shaded areas. As a result, reliable fire extinguishing of objects with complex geometry, such as ventilation wells, cable channels, space under false floor and behind hung ceiling, is provided. The module can also be used as a throughable device for extinguishing of seeds of fire difficult of access. It can be used by persons as an efficient firefighting mean before fire brigade arriving to the fireplace. High efficiency of the modules is provided owing to high firefighting ability of the powder and high intensity of powder supplying to the seat of fire. The modules are actuated from electrical signal of low power. Starting current is 120 mA. So the devices have rather simple design and reasonable price, available for mass consumption. The modules provide firefighting powder emission in any direction, so it makes possible to avoid forming of shaded areas and to provide reliable fire extinguishing of objects of any configuration and extent. During the usage of various modifications of the modules, fire defense of objects of almost all purpose and geometry is provided. The range of objects is from electrical cabinets with a volume less than 1 cubic meter to storage houses with a volume of hundreds of cubic meters and with height up to 16 meters. The modules have explosion-proof modification with RP Exile X explosion-proof marking. They can be used in mines, which are gas and dust dangerous. Based on TUNGUS 24 module, a mobile fire extinguishing system Tunguska, based on a vehicle, motorcar or tractor, was designed. It consists of 9 or 18 TUNGUS 24 modules and is recommended for extinguishing of the seeds of fire in settlements far from fire stations. A driver can operate the system developed without leaving a cabin. TUNGUS modules have high performance. In contrast to existing domestic analogues, they can be used within the temperature range of -60 to +90 degrees centigrade for 10 years without any technical maintenance. The modules can be used in all climatic zones, and they are the products of multiple usage. All modules developed in kitting with signal and triggering devices USPAA1 of the 4th version are the self-triggering devices which operate with the help of 2 channels, thermal and optical. Optical channel is activated by thermal channel only after temperature raising, so it makes it possible to exclude false triggering. Self-triggering modules are the fast-acting devices which provide fire extinguishing of the seeds of fire during the first seconds from the moment of fire origin. The developed modules are widely used in Russia, China, Mongolia, Nigeria, CIS countries for fire protection of various purpose objects, including metallurgy industry, power industry, oil refining industry, mining industry, coal industry, ammunition depots, objects of Ministry of Defense, objects of rail transport and subways, terminals, production buildings, power equipment and transformer substations, cable structures, garages, oil loading racks, petrol and gas stations, attics and cellars, and other objects. Powder fire extinguishing modules TUNGUS are the instant and efficient means of seeds of fire extinguishing.